Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely useful flower plant care tips, helping your plants stay healthy and bloom brilliantly all year round. With very simple ingredients available right in the kitchen, anyone can prepare effective plant care solutions at home. In today's video, I will guide you through a simple method that helps Anthurium plants that have not bloomed for a long time recover, become greener and healthier, and begin producing bright flowers again. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you will not miss simple but very effective plant care tips in the next videos. And now, let us begin. Do you have Anthurium pots that have not developed for a long time and also do not bloom like this? If so, do not rush to throw them away, because with proper care these plants can completely recover, grow lush, and bloom again. First, we will make a nutrient solution by ourselves to care for the plant. To make this solution, today I will use garlic, a very familiar ingredient in the kitchen. I will separate about 3 garlic cloves, and I will not peel them, but will use both the garlic and the garlic skins. Garlic contains many natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it also contains some minerals and micronutrients that help protect the root system, limit bacteria in the soil, and support the plant to grow healthier. After cutting the entire garlic into small pieces, so the nutrients can be released more easily. Next, I will put all the chopped garlic into a clean glass jar. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The next ingredient that I will use is coffee powder. Coffee contains many natural minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and some trace elements. These are essential nutrients for plant growth. These nutrients help stimulate green leaf development, increase plant vitality, and support the process of forming flower buds. I will use about 3 small spoons of coffee powder, then add it together with the garlic prepared earlier into the glass jar. These 2 ingredients, when combined together, will create a natural nutrient solution that is very good for Anthurium plants. After that, I will add about 500 milliliters of hot water. Hot water will help extract the nutrients in garlic and coffee powder faster, and at the same time, help the natural compounds dissolve into the water more effectively. Next, I will stir the mixture well so the ingredients are completely mixed together. After stirring, I will close the lid and let the solution rest for about 1 day before using it. During this time, the nutrients from garlic and coffee will gradually dissolve into the water, creating a natural nutrient solution that is very good for Anthurium plants. After 1 day, when the solution has had enough extraction time, I will filter out all the garlic pieces and coffee residue, keeping only the extracted water. This water is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to care for the Anthurium plant. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. However, to avoid the solution being too concentrated and affecting the plant root system, we need to dilute this solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Diluting will help reduce the concentration of the nutrients so the plant can absorb them gradually without causing shock to the roots. Method 1. First, pour a small amount of the solution into a clean glass cup for convenient use. Then use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to dip into the solution and gently wipe both sides of the Anthurium leaves. When wiping, you should wipe very gently, especially on the underside of the leaves, because this is where many stomata are located that help the plant exchange gases and absorb nutrients more effectively. Wiping the leaves with this solution not only helps remove dust on the leaf surface, but also provides a natural amount of nutrients that help the leaves become greener, shinier, and healthier. In addition, when the leaves are cleaned, the Anthurium plant can photosynthesize better, helping the plant grow more steadily, and creating favorable conditions for forming new flower buds. You should wipe the leaves in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight so the plant can absorb nutrients most effectively. Method 2. Pour the diluted solution into a mist spray bottle. Then spray lightly and evenly around the Anthurium plant. When spraying, allow the solution to form a fine mist so it spreads evenly on the leaves, stems, and the surface of the growing medium. This spraying method helps the plant absorb nutrients gradually, while also helping clean the leaf surface and creating better conditions for the plant to grow healthier. The special thing is that this solution is not only used for Anthurium plants, but you can also use it to spray many other plants in the garden. Other ornamental plants and flowering plants will also receive natural nutrients, helping the leaves become greener, the plant stronger, and the growth more stable. However, you should spray the solution in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding spraying when the sun is strong so the plant can absorb nutrients better and limit the solution from evaporating too quickly. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. Pour the diluted solution into a watering can, then water it directly at the base of the plant. When watering, gently water around the base so the solution gradually soaks into the soil and reaches the root system of the plant. This watering method helps the roots absorb nutrients directly, thereby helping the plant grow healthier, develop glossy green leaves, and stimulate the plant to form new flower buds. However, you should only water a moderate amount, avoiding watering too much, which can make the soil too wet, because Anthurium is a plant that likes moisture, but cannot tolerate waterlogging. To achieve the best results, you should apply this solution about every 7 to 10 days and place the plant in a cool place with gentle indirect light. The Anthurium plant will gradually recover, grow well, and produce bright, beautiful flowers. Results. After about 2 months of applying this method correctly, you will begin to see very clear changes in your Anthurium plant. The plant grows more lush, with darker green and shinier leaves. After a period of being supplemented with nutrients, the Anthurium plant begins to grow more strongly, new leaves grow thicker, darker green and shinier. The old leaves also become fresher and healthier, helping the plant photosynthesize well and develop steadily. New shoots begin to form, and the plant gradually becomes healthier and full of vitality. At the base of the plant, new young shoots will appear and gradually develop into new leaves or branches. This shows that the plant has recovered well and entered a strong growth stage, making the pot greener and more full of life. New flower buds appear and gradually bloom into brilliant flowers. After the plant has become healthy, new flower buds will begin to form among the leaves. Over time, these buds gradually grow larger and bloom into brilliant Anthurium flowers, making your plant pot more outstanding, fresh, and beautiful. This shows that with very simple ingredients available in the kitchen, if you know how to use them and care for the plant correctly, you can completely help the Anthurium plant recover quickly and bloom again. What do you think about this Anthurium plant care method? If you find the video helpful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you will not miss other interesting plant care tips.